Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check Condor Airlines flight status. It's pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Condor Airline account, which of course I've done right here. So how do you create an account on Condor? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type condor.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Condor. Once again, to the website, the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the My Condor tab. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your Condor account. After doing that and signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task. That is how to check Condor airline flight status. So from this homepage, head over to this top corner of your screen. You're going to find the online check-in, flight status, reserve your seat. Go ahead and click on flight status, and it's going to take you to the other window where you can now check your flight status. So here you can check the current departure and arrival times of Condor flights. You can check add your from, all right, and to where you're going from and where you're going to, and then the date of your outbound flight and your status. You have to be sure that these are the details that you entered when you were booking your flight. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on check flight status and you get the status of your flight. So what does the status contain? So once you click on check flight status, you're going to find out this option scheduled. If you see scheduled, it means your flight is not airborne. If you see delayed, it means your flight is not on its scheduled departure time. If you see departure, it means your flight has left the departure gate but may not be airborne yet. If it is in air, the flight has taken off. If it's diverted, the flight has been diverted from its scheduled destination towards a new location. If it's recovery, you find it means your flight has departed from the diverted location and en route the scheduled destination. If it has landed, it means your flight has landed. If it's arrived, your flight has arrived its destination gate. If it's cancelled, your flight has been cancelled. If you see no takeoff info, it means the real-time status of your flight is unavailable, so you have to contact the airline for all the information. So that is pretty much how you can check the flight status in Condor Airlines. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.